Have you ever looked up at the night sky, filled with countless stars, and wondered, what's next for us? For centuries, space has been our ultimate frontier, a source of endless fascination and a symbol of human ambition. Today, we're not just dreaming about the stars, we're actively reaching for them. So, what does humanity's future in space actually look like? Is it all just science fiction, or are we on the cusp of becoming a true multiplanetary species? Let's start with what's happening right now. The space around our planet is getting busier than ever. We've got the International Space Station, a floating laboratory where astronauts from different countries live and work together, pushing the boundaries of science. But it's not just government agencies like NASA anymore. A new era of private space exploration has dawned, with companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic making space more accessible than ever before. SpaceX's reusable rockets have dramatically lowered the cost of getting to orbit, making once unthinkable projects suddenly seem possible. We're seeing more satellites being launched, providing us with everything from global internet to precise climate data. This low Earth orbit economy is the first big step, the foundation upon which our future in space will be built. So where do we go from here? The next logical destination is the moon. You might be thinking, haven't we already been there? Yes, but this time is different. NASA's Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon. This isn't just about planting a flag and coming home. We're talking about building a lunar base, the Artemis Base Camp. Imagine astronauts living and working on the moon for extended periods. This base would serve as a crucial stepping stone. On the moon, we can test the technologies needed for even longer journeys, like how to build structures using lunar soil, or how to extract water from ice hidden in shadowed craters. This water is a game changer. It can be used for drinking, growing plants, and most importantly, it can be split into hydrogen and oxygen to create rocket fuel. A refueling station on the moon? That opens up the entire solar system. And that brings us to the big one, Mars. The red planet has captivated our imagination for generations, and it's the ultimate goal for many in the space community. Why Mars? It's the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. It has a thin atmosphere, frozen water, and a day that's only slightly longer than ours. It's still an incredibly harsh environment, but it's our best bet for a second home. The journey to Mars is long and dangerous, taking about 7 to 9 months one way. Astronauts will have to deal with intense radiation, the psychological effects of extreme isolation, and the physical challenges of long-term zero gravity. But the plans are already in motion. SpaceX is developing Starship, a massive, fully reusable spacecraft designed specifically for missions to Mars. Their vision is bold, to build a self-sustaining city on Mars within our lifetimes. This isn't just about sending a few scientists. It's about sending thousands of people, engineers, farmers, doctors, artists to build a new branch of human civilization. The first Martians will face immense challenges. They'll need to build habitats, likely underground or 3D printed from Martian soil, to protect themselves from radiation. They'll have to figure out how to grow food in controlled environments, generate power using solar panels, and create a breathable atmosphere from the carbon dioxide-rich Martian air. It's a monumental undertaking, but every great human achievement started as a seemingly impossible dream. But our future in space might not just be about landing on other planets. What about living in space itself? The idea of giant rotating space habitats, known as O'Neill cylinders, has been around since the 1970s. These are massive structures that would spin to create artificial gravity, allowing for millions of people to live in comfortable, Earth-like environments. Inside, you could have towns, parks, and farms, all with a stunning view of the cosmos right outside your window. This might sound like pure fantasy, but the basic physics is sound. As we become better at manufacturing in space and harnessing resources from asteroids, building these cosmic arcologies could become a reality. These habitats could be located in stable points between the Earth and Moon, offering a convenient commute back to our home planet while providing a new frontier for expansion. Beyond our solar system lies the vast expanse of interstellar space. This is the realm of true science fiction for now. The nearest star system, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light years away. With our current technology, it would take tens of thousands of years to get there. But we are already dreaming up ways to make the journey faster. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot envision sending tiny light sail-powered nanocrafts on a 20-year journey to our stellar neighbors. These probes would be accelerated to a fraction of the speed of light by powerful lasers on Earth. And who knows what future propulsion technologies we might discover. Warp drives and wormholes might be theoretical concepts today, but we should never underestimate human ingenuity. The first steps into the galaxy will be small, robotic ones, but they will carry the hopes and dreams of all humanity. Of course, this grand vision of our future in space isn't without its challenges and ethical questions. Who owns the resources on the moon or on asteroids? How do we prevent space from becoming another arena for conflict? How do we ensure that the benefits of space exploration are shared by all of humanity, not just a select few? And perhaps most importantly, as we look to the stars, we must not forget our own planet. The technology we develop for space-like advanced recycling, solar power, and closed-loop life support systems can have incredible benefits right here on Earth, helping us to live more sustainably. Our journey outward should also be a journey inward, inspiring us to become better custodians of our home world. So, humanity's future in space is a tapestry woven from science, ambition, and a deep-seated desire to explore. It begins with a bustling economy in low Earth orbit, extends to a permanent outpost on the moon, and reaches for a new home on Mars. It dreams of cities floating among the stars and one day venturing to other suns. It won't be easy, and it won't happen overnight. It will require the best of our technology, our creativity, and our spirit of collaboration. But the journey has already begun. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're looking at our future. We are the generation that will take humanity's first true steps into the cosmos, transforming us from a species that lives on one world into a species that lives among the stars. Thank you so much for watching. What part of our spacefaring future are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into tomorrow, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures into the world of science and technology. See you next time.